Hi, it's Lauren with Guarantee Maid Services. We are at the USS Kidd. We are going to be filming on set with a special guest, so stay tuned. She has just cleaned it by wiping all the kickboards and the walls, and you'll see this really cool ceiling in here. She also dusted that as well. They did some new construction and painting, and so Guarantee Maid Services came in here and we're just making it great again. Sorry, my name tag's a little crooked, but we're just cleaning up the USS Kidd, a room downstairs in their museum. And they had some construction done. And today we have a special guest with us. I know you all have been dying. So he actually filmed a movie here, and he's America's sweetheart, and his name is Serious Tom. Hey, Serious Tom, how are you? I'm pretty good, Lauren. Thanks for asking. Serious Tom, I'm so glad you got to see us come out here and do some cleaning and see us do our best. Well, Lauren, you know, I've heard about you guys throughout the town, and I've also heard that you guys are pretty good. So keep up the great work, Lauren. Thank you so much, Serious Tom. You're so nice. Oh, and I like the gray hair. So the last thing that we do before we finish is we walk around the room and we spray the room with a smell good product. Unfortunately, everyone thinks that clean comes with a smell, but honestly it doesn't. So here you have it. Tom, we want to thank you for joining us today as our special guest at the USS Kidd exhibit, and we hope everyone has a wonderful day today. Call today to find out how we give you quality cleaning at reasonable rates. Like us on Facebook and get a quote at guaranteemaidservices.com. Let us give you your weekends back.
Hi guys, it's Tom Hanks, and I'm here at the USS Kidd Museum, and this just brings back good memories for me. Filming on the set and, you know, staying in Baton Rouge. And while I was in Baton Rouge, I sure did get my house cleaned I was staying at, and guess who I call, guys? Guarantee Maid Services. For all your residential and commercial needs. Coming at you, Serious Tom.